Hi everyone, today we will be looking at how do you find annual interest rate. So we're still working with interest, still working with simple interest, and we are still using our formula from yesterday, except the only difference today is that we're going to be solving for the rate or the interest rate. So we're going to have simple interest is here, that's the money that's earned. We have our principal. That's the money that's either borrowed or deposited. We have our rate, annual rate, and then we have T for time. So we're going to be using this formula today, again, to help us solve for R. So today, instead of finding I, we are looking for the rate or the R. We're pirates today. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our first example. Our first example, example A. Example A says that we deposit $1,000. We deposit $1,000 into a bank account. After 4 years, we earn $100. We earn $100. So it wants to know what is the annual interest rate. That is the question we are solving. What is the annual interest rate? So we're going to take this information and we're going to put it into our formula. So deposit $1,000. This is your principal. Depositing $1,000. That's the initial amount of money, $1,000. After 4 years, well, we know 4 years is going to be the time in years. So we're going to multiply this by 4. We don't know the rate. Okay, we don't know the rate, but we do know that we earn $100. So our outcome is $100. So our job is to isolate this variable. We are solving for R. So we're going to balance the equation. Solve for R. So 1,000, we're going to combine things that are the same, constants with constants. 1,000 times 4 gives us 4,000 times R. We still have the R. This is equal to 100. We're going to divide by 4,000 and divide by 4,000. This cancels here and gives us R equals, and our job is to figure out what R is. So you can cross out zeros if you want, but we have 100 divided by 4,000, and that gives us 0.025. Well, we know that interest rates are in a percentage. So we're going to take this interest rate of 0.025, and now we're going to take this and multiply it by 100. So times 100, and that will give us an interest rate of 2.5%. So R equals 2.5%. Not bad. All right. Now let's go ahead and look at example B. So example B. Okay, the next example says you deposit $700 in an account. And the account earns $224 in 8 years. So we earn $224 earned after 8 years. We want to know what is the interest rate. So up here we see that $1,000, we earned $100 after 4 years. Here we deposit $700, we earn $224 after 8 years. So we're going to find out what the interest rate is, how it compares to example A. So let's look at the different parts. Depositing $700, that's the principal. So $700, that's what we initially start with. Our earning, what we earn, our simple interest is $224. That's what we earn. And it's after 8 years. Again, we don't know the rate. We're looking for the rate. And so our time is after 8 years. Okay, we're going to go ahead and draw a line. Balance this equation. 700 times 8. We want to eliminate that side so we can get r by itself. We want to isolate for the variable of r. 700 times 8 years gives us $5,600. R. We're going to divide by 5,600. And over here we have 224 divided by 5,600. So our rate equals, clear out so you don't get it mixed up, 224 divided by 5,600 gives us 0.04. And so we're going to take 0.04, multiply that by 100, and that's going to give us 4%. So when we put our money into this bank account, it earned a better interest rate, a higher rate than this account. All right, it is your turn now for the try it. Time for your try it. All right, your try it is depositing $350 in an account. The account earns $17.50 in 2.5 years. Oh, you know what? Let's just do, well, maybe, I think it's okay. All right, so try it. I was hoping to keep things not with decimals, but that's okay. I think you can do it. Okay, so your try it is you deposit $350 in an account, so $350. So you deposit $350 in an account. You earn $17.50 in 2.5 years. I want to know, what is the simple interest rate? Okay, so go ahead and hit pause right now so you don't hear me solving, and then when you're ready, come on back and check your level of understanding. All right, so our interest rate, our simple interest, that what we deposit is $350. So $350 equals our, oh, nope, sorry. I've got this mixed up. We're looking for rate. $350 is our initial deposit. That is your principal. Sorry, it goes there. Then we're looking for the rate. We earn $17.50. So we earn $17.50. There's that. We don't know R, and our time is 2.5 years. So we're solving for R still. We're going to go through and solve this. 350 times 2.5. I'm going to run out of space there. So $350 times 2.5 gives us 875 times R. That equals $17.50. We're going to divide by 875. Divide by 875. And that tells us that R equals, so 1750 times, divided by 875. 875. Why is my 5 missing? Okay, and that equals 0.02. We're going to multiply that by 100, and that gives us 2% interest rate. So we have a 2% interest rate. All right, go ahead and answer your essential question. How do we find the annual interest rate? And then put your level of understanding out to the side. Where are you at? How do you feel about using the equation? The equation I equals PRT. How do you feel about using substitution, identifying the pieces in each example, using substitution, isolating that variable, and then solving for the rate? Where are you at with that? When you're finished, you can come on back to the Google Meet and ask for help, or you can go on and do your practice work. As always, I appreciate all of your hard work and effort, and make it a great day.